One of the components that we emphasize in our lifestyle and longevity practice is community, because community is a common characteristic that's found in blue zones. And blue zones are areas all over the world that are inhabited by the highest percentage of centenarians. And we want to recreate that community because we want you to be surrounded by like-minded people who are supporting each other and cheering each other on so that we could constantly improve in our overall health and wellness. And we want to be that resource to answer your questions. Hence the reason why we're putting on the open house, so that you could log into Zoom and you could you could ask any of your questions and we could answer them. And at the same time, we're creating relationships, we're building community, and you're getting to know us better. So I definitely look forward to seeing you at our Radiant Heart webinar, where we call it the open house. Just log in, ask whatever questions you want in order to improve your overall health and wellness. I definitely look forward to hearing from you, and the information regarding the Zoom webinar or open house is located within my bio or within the video description. Have a great day.